The price of perfection.
There's a car that doesn't just turn heads. It stops time. It doesn't drive on roads. It glides through the world of the ultra-elite. This is the Rolls Royce Boat Tail. Valued at $28 million, it holds the title of the most expensive car in the world in 2025. But this isn't just about price. This is about legacy. About a car built entirely by hand, for one specific person, with no two ever the same. So what makes the Boat Tail the pinnacle of luxury? Is it the design, the craftsmanship, the obsession? Stay with us as we unlock the hidden artistry, maritime inspiration, and unmatched features that make this car a rolling work of art unlike anything else on Earth. Welcome to AutoFlair, the channel where we unveil the world's rarest, most exquisite, and most powerful machines. If you live for bespoke craftsmanship, elite design, and next-level automotive experiences, hit that subscribe button. Because this story will change how you see luxury forever.
Luxury redefined.
The Royce Boat Tail isn't just a car. It's a curated personal sculpture on wheels. A rolling identity, created by the client and Rolls Royce's most elite design team. But before we dive into the details, let's go back in time. Coach building is at the core of Rolls Royce history. In the early 20th century, ultra-wealthy clients would commission their own custom bodywork, turning chassis into one-off creations. The Boat Tail is the modern resurrection of that era, a return to true coach building for a new generation of billionaires. Each Boat Tail starts with a blank canvas, no fixed design. The owner is involved from day one, selecting inspiration, materials, even themes. The flowing body lines are inspired by classic J-class yachts, those long-deck, open-water masterpieces of the early 1900s. And it shows. The car's proportions, stance, and rear taper all reflect that same sense of maritime grace. Even the paint color is custom, developed specifically for each client, with flecks of crushed oyster shells, mother of pearl, or fine metallics embedded in the lacquer. The wooden rear deck, handcrafted and treated like a luxury yacht floor. The grains are perfectly aligned, flowing seamlessly from left to right, a level of detail even most luxury homes don't achieve.
A private world inside.
And the Boat Tail becomes even more extraordinary. This isn't just a driving cabin. It's a private luxury salon, a space that reflects the owner's personal world. Every surface, every accent, every control knob, all built to reflect their lifestyle. Butter soft leather, sourced from alpine hides. Rare open pore woods, cut from single trees to ensure perfect grain flow. Satin finished aluminum, inspired by vintage marine instruments. And in some cases, precious metals or gemstones, discreetly embedded into dials, handles, or switches. The dashboard clock, custom designed in partnership with the owner's favorite Swiss watchmaker. The stitching pattern, it might mirror a tailored suit, a family crest, or even the interior of a vacation estate. This isn't just personalization. This is storytelling through materials.
The ultimate surprise.
The Boat Tail's most famous feature lies not inside, but behind. Press a discreet button, and the rear deck opens up like the wings of a butterfly. What's revealed is not an engine, not storage, but a hosting suite, the world's most extravagant car-based picnic set. Inside, a full-service champagne cooler, calibrated to the owner's preferred vintage. Custom crystal glassware, cutlery, and china, designed by Christophe of Paris. A pair of folding stools made from carbon fiber and hand-stitched leather. And a shaded parasol that deploys automatically, graceful as a yacht sail, precise as a Swiss watch. Even the refrigerator temperature can be tuned to accommodate Dom Pierre Rignan, Armand de Brignac, or any vintage the owner desires. This is a car built to host a private cocktail hour, whether on the shores of Lake Como, aboard a super yacht, or in a palace courtyard.
Obsession in motion.
Now here's the part most people miss all of this. The design, the interiors, the mechanisms. Takes over 4 years to complete. Rolls Royce assembles a dedicated team of over 40 engineers, designers, and artisans for each Boat Tail commission. They meet regularly with the client. They sketch, they prototype, they experiment with techniques never before used in automotive design. And it shows. Even the most basic mechanical actions, like opening the parasol, are engineered to perform in silence. No rattles, no resistance. Whether on a windy cliff or a sunlit driveway, the motion remains fluid and flawless. This level of refinement is what elevates the Boat Tail from a car to an experience. So here's a question for you. If you had the means, what feature would you create? Would it be a built-in humidor, a secret DJ booth, a hidden watch window? Drop your dream detail in the comments. We'd love to hear your vision.
The power within you.
You may be wondering, What kind of engine powers a creation like this? Under the sculpted hood sits Rolls Royce's iconic 6.75-liter twin turbocharged V12. It produces over 560 horsepower and more than 900 Newton-meters of torque. But this isn't performance you measure in numbers, it's performance you feel. The delivery is smooth, silent, effortless. It glides forward like a yacht cutting through glassy water. The ride is perfected by Rolls Royce's Magic Carpet Ride suspension, an adaptive system that scans the road and adjusts the damping in real time. Even on cobblestones, the boat tail floats, graceful, composed, untouched.
The value of coach-built luxury.
Why does the boat tail cost $28 million? Because this isn't just about materials. It's about access. It's about time. It's about the rarest currency in the world, undivided attention. Each boat tail is not just coach-built, it's soul-built. The champagne chiller, the umbrella mechanism, the embroidery, the deck lines, all signed, sealed, and built uniquely for one client. No one else will ever have this car. No one else will even come close. You're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying a legacy, a story told through leather, metal, and motion.
What does luxury mean to you?
So what do you think? Is the Rolls Royce Boat Tail a rolling masterpiece or the ultimate symbol of excess? Or maybe both? If you had the opportunity, would you commission a car like this? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Auto Flair, where rare hypercars, coach-built legends, and luxury icons come to life. Coming up next, inside the $10 million Bugatti Centodieci, where brutal power meets design obsession. Wait until you see the interior. Thanks for watching. And remember, real luxury isn't loud, it's personal, it's rare, and it speaks only to those who understand it.